Hey guys, today's video you're going to learn exactly how you can structure your service business for success. We're going to be talking about what has to go into your offer, what services you need to produce, how you're going to interact with your clients, and eventually how you should manage your business for these strategies. I'm going to be discussing this not only with these strategies but also with specific examples that are going to help you understand. Why I'm teaching you this today is because I myself ran a lawn and landscape business for several years, okay? And I made many of the mistakes regarding especially what services I provide. I went too broad. I was good in all these services, but I didn't specialize in any one of them. This resulted in loss of revenue, increased equipment costs, and overall more disorganization. Now, what if you don't listen to me with these strategies? I'm not going to lie to you, you may still be successful, but you're not going to reach the level of success that you desire, okay? These strategies build a dependable, predictable, and sustainable business, okay? For those of you that don't know me, my name is Isaac Burak with 2B Green Consulting. It's my mission, it's my intention today to help people just like yourself. People are wishing to open up a service business. However, they are lacking a lot of the implementable strategies that can take them from just a regular startup to a successful business. That's my mission. That's why I'm making this video for today. So stick to the end of the video to get the entire process. Let's get started. First, you have to decide on the service that you're going to offer. I just told you I ran a lawn and landscape business. However, when I started, I was doing yard cleanup. I was doing pressure washing. I was doing driveway sealing, tree work, all these different things that I didn't specialize into one exact thing. Reason why you need to be specialized, when you start out at least, is because you need to give yourself time to learn this craft. You need to give yourself time to develop a customer base, and you don't want to spend more money on equipment than you need, okay? If you expand too quickly and without the right processes in place, you're going to build what's called an inflated business, okay? You've grown too big too quick, but not in terms of revenue and in terms of market holding. Instead, you've built too fast in the arena of addressable markets, okay? You want to specialize in a niche service that many can relate to and many need so that you can become known for this exact service, okay? Next, your offer. Many people get this wrong, the offer for your service, okay? Part that many people get wrong is that we've all heard that you need to bring value. Okay? We all know that. That's every YouTube influencer says, just add value to your customers. And that's true. That's what any business is the goal of. That's obvious, okay? But in the service value, we're going for more the experience along with the value, okay? This means we're looking for our clients to have the best introductory experience with your company, the best experience whilst you're completing the job, and the best experience after you're done with the job in longevity, in final product, and everything that goes along with a job completed, okay? The experience, because we're completing a service for our clients, and back to service, taking away a need and saving time off of our clients, it has to be done with more than just apparent value, more than just explicit value, okay? The implicit value that goes in emotionally with the client, that's done with your experience that you can portray with your client, okay? More the experience of the client, okay? Reason why this is so important is because we're taking a job that your client otherwise could do, okay? For example, cutting their grass. This is what I did. My client could perfectly have cut their own grass in most scenarios. they're more emotionally attached to the project, okay? For that reason, we need to offer along to the experience that they are going to have on their emotional side. Now, what if you don't do this? If you don't do this and you just sell and just market based on the value that you can provide, what you're going to find is that your clients, they can't exactly put it to words, but they probably won't even tell you, but you're not going to get the same client success as you would following this offer structure. An example of this, let's say you're cleaning somebody's bed. You're going to do the weeding, you're going to do the mulching, you're even going to trim their hedges. Okay, common job that many of you guys offer. Okay, the experience goes into fulfilling every emotional need of your client. The value part is your house is going to look so much prettier. Your house is going to have a lot more roadside value. And yes, clients care about this value. However, the experience goes into personalizing the job to your client. Now, this does not mean just how do you like your hedges trimmed? What mulch do you like? Okay, this goes into, that's just straight up job description, job specifics. The parts that goes into experience, the experience of your client, is done through comfort strategies. Okay, inside your business, this includes good messaging, good responsiveness, good updates, automatic payments, automatic scheduling, these types of things. These are comfort items that make the overall experience so much higher. Think of it this way. Let's say you are going to go mow their lawn. You are professional, you do a great job, you are timely, you are responsive, you are competent, you are clean, you arrive at the same time every week. Let's say somebody else, somebody down the street, they can do just about the same quality of job that you can, however, they are much more undependable. In this scenario, some clients, before they learn the hard lesson, are going to say, yes, I can save $20 per cut. I'm going to go with the guy who's more undependable. He'll get the job done. That's what I overall care about. Okay? That is where they're going to make the mistake and think too value oriented. They're not thinking the experience that they're going to have. That's where you have to fit in with the comfort strategies. Okay? Next, prices. How are you going to price this offer with these services? The offer that I just described for you is a premium offer. If you follow it with a high quality service, if you follow it with personalized pieces to every client, if you follow it with all the comfort strategies and an overall good business, this is going to be a premium offer. Okay? And that correlates with a premium price. In today's society, there's a mental match that most customers make with price and quality. Okay, this does not mean that to sell more jobs and to sell a higher quality perception, just charge twice the amount of money. No. First, your first priority still has to be creating an excellent service, an excellent product to sell. The second part is to correctly price that. Now, that one part of pricing is making sure that your numbers will be profitable, okay? The second part of pricing is making sure that your price correlates with the value of your product and the experience, again, that you're bringing to your client. With a premium experience, a premium price has to go along with that. This goes against what many of you think, but premium price has to be part of the experience for your client. Okay? This is a big hump that I overcame in my business that I thought, no, if I can do the best job at the lowest price, that's what's going to be successful. Not with these type of services. Okay? We're not just trying to build a neighborly lawn care system. No, we're trying to build a business that is scalable with multiple crews and a large customer base. Okay? And this is a strategy that you have to follow to become that type of company with specialized services with high quality clients. Management. How are you going to actually implement these strategies? Regarding employees, when you specialize into a niche, into a service, when starting out, you are not going to need employees. Instead, you are going to be either a solo entrepreneur who does all the work, all the bookkeeping, all the scheduling by yourself, or you're going to have a helper, or you're going to have a bookkeeper. When starting out, this is just one rule to get out of the way. Don't partner with anybody in a service business. It's not worth it. If you even going to think about starting a service business, you're going to have the skills for the exact service that you're offering. You're going to have some leadership skills. Maybe you don't have book skills, but that's easily hireable. And eventually, when you need to get into a bigger company, then you will grow your employee base. But not for a startup. For software, don't go with paper records. Get a good software such as Yardbooks or QuickBooks. Okay? These are going to have, when starting out at least, so many more capabilities than you need, but it's going to allow you to get started on a centralized platform that will allow your business to grow. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Yardbooks isn't going to make your business grow, but it's going to allow you to stay efficient on that path to growth. What I see so many times is that a business is able to grow. They have the mental strategy there. They have the crew. They have the skills to grow. However, their software is limiting them, primarily in time waste. They waste time in payment structures. They waste time in scheduling. They waste time in routing. Correct and efficient software can help your business on the path to growth. Equipment. I can't give you an exact telltale spend $1,500 on equipment because it all depends on the initial service that you've decided to specialize in. If you're mowing lawns, sure, you can get done with, for residential lawns, you can get around with $1,200 to $1,500, okay? However, if you're getting into pressure washing, you're going to need more money than that. So it all depends. However, this goes into your of your bookkeeping, and making sure that you do not overextend your budgets. You need to plan not only the equipment costs, but you need to plan equipment insurance, you need to plan equipment repairs, you need to plan equipment consumables. I think today's video has really helped you on the path of getting your startup set up for success. Okay? This strategy is what I eventually learned, okay? Through my own experience and through some mentors that helped me on my path. I made tons of mistakes regarding, especially my services. Like I said, I was not specialized enough. And it's for this reason that I've decided to help guys just like you with your startup. So if this video aligned with you and your situation, I want you to book a free consultation with me down in the description. There, I'm going to be able to go more in depth into your service. There, I'm going to be able to help you fix your offer. There, I'm going to help you with your pricing as well. That's a call via the link in the description below. It's going to be a one-to-one call with me, and we'll delve deeper into your business. This has been Isaac Burak with To Be Green Consulting. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.